Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we are showcasing two mugs that are perfect whether you are looking for a unique gift or wanting to enhance your coffee experience. Mugs are an ideal choice. Now let's get in a result. The first custom mug features a white exterior with a black interior design, holding 11 ounces, making it perfect for daily use. It accommodates enough beverage without being bulky. We use high-quality ceramic material, which offers superior printing quality and durability compared to regular ceramics. Additionally, our premium ceramic material ensures no release of harmful substances like BPA during the printing process, meeting environmental standards. If you are looking to add some fun to your coffee time, take a look at our color-changing magic mug. Its surface is coated with a thermosensitive layer that changes color based on the beverage temperature. When hot water is poured in, the black surface of the mug gradually reveals your design. As the temperature cools down, the mug retains its original black color. Mugs are versatile products suitable for daily use in homes, office, and schools. Through JetPrint's customization service, mugs can also become personalized gifts to keepsakes to give to family, friends, or colleagues. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest products. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.